When I try to print this report, I see a very clear problem. Have a look at it. When I press Ctrl P to see the preview of this data and I go to the next worksheet, I cannot see any kind of heading, which is very misleading. So that's why there is a very beautiful option which is available in Excel through which I can actually repeat the heading. I'll go to the page setup over here and I can go to the sheet, and here there is an option which is rows to repeat at top. Here, how I can add it, I'll go to the home tab, rather I go to the page layout tab, and there you can see this print titles. If I click on it, it will show me an option which is highlighted right now, rows to repeat at top. When I click inside this, my arrow you can see is changed, and when I click on it, it will repeat this row again and again on the next pages, which is very handy. So when I press OK and I'll go to the print option again, Ctrl P, look at this, it is repeating. Pretty graceful. The second option which I want to share with you right now is putting header and footer. If I go to the page layout again, Insert tab, you can see this header and footer option is coming. When I click on this header and footer, this comes into this page layout view. In here you can see the header. There is no header right now. I do have a lot of options over here. For example, if I want to show the page number, that is very common. If I click on this page number, it will show me the page number. But what if I want to see that page number 1 of 5, 2 of 6, like that. So I'll click it like this, page number, space, of, space, number of pages. So when I click outside, you can see it is written as 1 of 2. Similarly, I do have a lot of options that you can put in. You can just check it out by yourself and you can see, because these are very straightforward and you can use them directly. In the same manner, you can come towards the footer part, you click somewhere and you can insert any footer that you want. Maybe the current date also. When I put it, click outside, it will show me the current date. So you can explore a few more options regarding this. Whatever you want to put it in, you can click inside and you can go to the design tab and you can see a lot of options are coming. Whatever you want to choose, you can go ahead with that. Thank you.